I'm a good girl, even Mykhens. And
Yeah.
we also finished our task, so my mom and dad gave me this 2 underwraps. So guys, are you excited? We can't hear you. We're excited too!
And actually, this is a girly type, but I want to open it.
But Gray will help me.
Yeah, I'm happy.
So guys, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hiya! I don't wanna open
I'm
one.
gonna open mine first. Okay. Oh, there's a marking.
There's a mark.
Okay. Oh my God, this doesn't want to open. Really? Follow the line.
Oh no!
Really doesn't want to follow the line. I'm just gonna skip the line, of course. That's what original people do. Wait, later! You're too excited. Oh no. So pretty. So guys, I already opened it.
Yeah.
Wrap it up. Yeah. Oh my God. Here is the dress.
There's a
Here,
background.
detail.
There's a background, but this is the hand.
Detail. Okay. Time for the little tiny shoes. Put them on my hand. There's the shoes.
Red shoes. Like that.
Okay, let's time to open
Let's see
it.
the doll.
Wow! Oh my God!
There's
Here's just like a container.
Yeah.
It's
Look
just
at
another container, as you just saw earlier. And here is like the handle.
Yeah, it's
See?
the same.
Oh, there's the body. The body. The limb body. Okay.
Big body bump.
Yeah. And here's the head.
But the head, but the
Here is different.
yeah, it's purple.
Yeah, so
That's
cool.
right. It's a mermaid, guys.
Here's a crown.
Guys, it's a mermaid.
And
It's a
here
mermaid.
is the, oh my God, the bottle.
Actually, guys, I saw this.
Okay, and this
She's
is
a
another
mermaid.
one.
She's a mermaid.
All the pieces.
Actually, she's a mermaid, guys. She just got a leg.
Oh yeah, she does. So guys, I'm assembling it. I already put these two.
And helping.
And Sophie's helping.
And so, guys, this is like Ariel's sister. This is like Ariel's
Ariel!
sister.
It doesn't want to fit in. Really?
And the shoe.
Oh my God.
It's not coming in.
Finally. Put her dress first.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Look at the gown.
It's not a gown, it's actually a dress.
Yeah, but I'm just.
Can I put it? Oh, wait. Guys, here's a tiara.
Guys, this is so cool. It's
Oh
like,
my God.
it's like
So
something
cool.
imagination.
Imagination.
No, because you can put the handle over
Oh.
here.
A handle. I think the handle goes up here.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
God. Yeah.
This is only.
This is so cool. I love this toy.
Okay. Put you in. Knock you
Guys,
in.
this is so cool.
Finally.
Oh, you
See, guys? It
How
is
can
in.
I put the crown?
How do we put the crown?
Wait, I can.
So, guys, it's all assembled. Here is her. So cute.
Yeah, let me show you.
And here is the cup.
Yeah, the room.
Yeah. And this is the top, of course. So,
It's like a hot tub.
yeah. You can like put her in or something.
Or
and then-
making like pretending makeup or learning or eating.
or whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
And then you can close it up
And
and
bring it
bring it
anywhere.
wherever you want.
Or in Dalamo.
Sophie will open her own.
Yeah. Oh wow. I see another Robin. I see the Robin pretty fun. Oh, I see for the ground, bro. I see a ground. Oh, it is so. Where to find? Where to find? Oh, okay, I'll just pick over. So hard. So guys, here's the crown.
The crown. There's the crown.
Here's the water bottle.
You have the water water bottle's there.
Yeah.
It's time to open it.
Yeah, pop. Okay.
The dress.
Color the gown. And I'm gonna show you the shoes in this plate.
That's actually not a plate.
Over there.
Little tiny shoes.
Yeah. This is like a tray, but it's like over. Now let's open the box.
God. Oh my God.
Guys,
First.
Guys, it's the same. It's a saber.
Push it. I'll help you.
Okay, guys, I put the dress. I put the dress.
The dress already.
Oh
Oh God.
You fell. Now I'm gonna put the shoes.
The shoey
I'm
shoes.
gonna put her upside down.
Oh my God. Upside down? Oh, I thought upside down shoe.
So guys, she's all dressed and the ball is together. Yeah, and here's the
ball
water
is together.
bottle. Here's the water bottle. Yeah. And she's gonna drink. Just need to squeeze. You can actually. Yeah, the head. The
Oh my God, the head popped.
The
The head popped.
Water. So guys, it's playtime. You can play with the LOL.
Yeah.
And we found this from the TikTok.
Oh, Patricia, you look so beautiful.
I know.
Oh, you're supposed to say thank you.
Thank you for what?
Well, I just gave you a compliment.
Oh, not a compliment. You gave me a fact.
Hi friend, what's your name? My name is Sheila. How about you? My name is Sophia. Do you want to be my friend? Of course I want to be your friend. Oh, come on, let's play. Oh yeah, what are we going to play? Let me think first. Oh, how about, dancing? Do you know how to dance? Of course I know how to dance. It's just so easy. Just leave your feet and you can jump a little. Oh yeah? Oh sure, come on, let's dance. I can't wait to dance with you. Oh, that is so cute. I want to do it. Let's jump in. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Come on, let's dance together. Oh, that is so cool. By the way, you have a nice hair. Oh, you have a nice hair too. It's purple. That's so cool. Oh, that is so sweet. I hope I have that kind of hair too. Oh, me too. I love your hair too. But yeah, let's dance together. Ah, that is so cool. Whoop, backflip. Yeah. Can you do that? Yes, it's so easy. Come on, do it, do it, do it. Let me think about it. Can you teach me how to do it? Yeah, of course, because I really want. Oh, that is so easy. Oh, yeah? Come on, do it, do it. Look at me, I'm doing a split. Can you do a split too? Oh, that is so hard. I don't know how to do that. But I can teach you. Yeah, we're gonna teach you. It's so easy, come on. All you have to do is spread your legs and you can do a split. Oh yeah, that is so easy. Oh, I fell down.
So guys, we're going to keep on playing.
Yeah.
But first, please like.
Wow, you can do it too. That's so awesome.
You are so good.
You're so beautiful also. You're so cute.
Yeah, of course,
Mia.
it's because of you. You teach me.
Hagrid.
Huggies.
I love you.
I love you too. You're so sweet, friend.